Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm just going to be washing my makeup brushes. I know they look horrible, and I honestly cannot tell you when the last time I washed them was.
Oh, that's nasty.
I know, don't judge me, okay? I know we're supposed to wash our brushes way more often. And really, they say you're supposed to wash them every time you use them to cut back on acne and all that kind of stuff. But realistically, if you're putting on makeup 2-3 times a week, who's going to wash their brushes every single time? I know I ain't got the time for that. And then you got to let them dry and all this other stuff. Like, really, who got the time? But we washing them today. And I'm using this pad that I got from, like, my local. It wasn't even a beauty supply, so I'm not going to lie. But I found it in a store, and it has suction cups on the bottom, and you stick them inside your sink, and then you use it to wash your brushes. I sometimes use the handheld one too, the one that just goes around your hand, and that one works really well too. So everything in this video is really self-explanatory, so I'm just going to throw on some music and let you guys watch me clean my brushes. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. enchant me, even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.